Welcome. In this tutorial, we will write a JavaScript function to find the first character in a string that does not repeat. It is a common string problem useful in interviews and text processing tasks. We'll use nested loops to check the frequency of each character. Let's dive in and see how the function works. We'll scan the string and return the first character that does not repeat. In the in this example, letters like A, B, and C repeat, but E does not. So E is the correct result. Now, let's explore the logic in the function. The string is converted into an array of characters. We use two loops. The outer loop picks a character, and the inner loop counts how often it happens. If the count is exactly 1, we save the character and break out of the loop. Finally, we return the result. Each character is checked against all others to see how often it occurs. We only care about the first character that appears once. Once found, we stop searching and return it immediately. This ensures we get first non-repeating character. In the first input, E is the only letter that appears once. In the second one, it is again the final E. If all characters repeat like in the final input, the function will return as an empty string. Let's now look at the practical uses for this function. This kind of function can be used in many scenarios. It is helpful in text analysis, typo detection, or code editor features. It also shows up frequently in technical interviews as a problem-solving task. Let's finish with a quick summary of what we've covered. We built a simple but effective solution for finding the first unique character on a string. It works on any string and can be adjusted for case insensitivity or performance improvements. Try it with different inputs and explore alternate approaches too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.